February 17 is the Chinese New Year of a fire horse. It is also time to place your new salt cures in the house to absorb the negative energy of a 2026 to improve your chances of success. Let me show you step by step how to do it. All you need is 3 ingredients. Salt, any salt will do. I have different salt. 6 Chinese coins. Chinese coins have 2 sides that has 2 characters on one side and 4 Chinese characters on another side. Start by filling our jar with salt, close to 2/3 of this jar. I want to use a mix of salt just because, why not? Next step is to place coins. However, I highly recommend you add some water to the salt before you place coins, because the coins have to be arranged in a certain pattern, and when you pour water on top, coins get covered by the salt and you dig them out. So make sure just put some water to cover the salt, and then we will arrange coins, and then we will put some water on top of that. Next step is to place 6 coins, and this is the pattern we should arrange our coins. 4 Chinese characters up in the flower pattern. If you have smaller jar, it's fine if they overlap when they are in the jar. However, they all should be visible. Now that I have my coins arranged, I'm going to top it off with water. My jar is full. You can still see the coins. They are not covered with salt. Next is the proper placement. Salt cure this year in 2026 should be placed in the south area of your house. So you can pull up compass on your iPhone and check for yourself, or if you know where yourself, identify the area and place it there. It has to be exposed to the air, meaning you cannot put it in the closet, you cannot put it in the cupboard. It doesn't have to be visible. In fact, you can put it behind the furniture as long as it's exposed to the air. Make sure that you place a plate or a bowl underneath the salt cure, because when the salt cure starts working, in a few weeks you will notice a huge amount of salt outside, and it can drop and overflow on the furniture, and it can damage the furniture or the floor. And it should be staying undisturbed as much as possible. Throughout the year you're going to add water because water will evaporate. Don't take the container to the sink to fill up with water. Make sure that you take a cup of water and bring it to the cure and pour it in. Do not touch the salt with your bare hands, because salt will absorb all the negative energy. You don't want it on your skin. Wishing you all good luck, happy and healthy and prosperous new year.